Now we are going to see the ASUS motherboard. Cost this M5A88-M. As you can see, manufactured by ASUS Technology. Cost around 6,900 rupees in the market, a lot less in Flipkart. It has the new performance boost, energy saving, dual intelligent process, supports AMD AM3 Plus processors, has GPU boost, 2 USB 3 terminals, 2x bandwidth, SATA 6G, energy saving and system upgrade. Now we have I just packed it. This is not the real packing. And there we have the motherboard. Oh shit. We'll just take it to somewhere we can see it clearly. And this, my friends, is the ASUS motherboard. Let me turn it around so that you can see this readings. And here we have it, the ASUS motherboard. We have 4 USB terminals. Here is the where you keep the processor, the CPU. Just turn this on, place the processor and close the slot. CC, the RAM slot for DDR3 RAMs up to 16 GB with 4 GB each. We provide the power supply here, and here is HDMI interface. Here is where we place the CPUs. This is where we connect the CPU fan, the cooling fan from this for the CPU. This is the HDMI interface. And there are the 2 USB 3 terminals. As you can see, both the 2 USB. Here we have DVI, VGI, and the HDMI. Here we have the HDMI, the USB ports, the network connectors, the connectors for speakers and other stuff. Here we have the battery, the CLRTC. Here is where the CLRTC, and there is ASUS the M5A88-M. This is where we place the power switch from the cabinet, the core unlocker switch, and this is a piece of work.